Hey guys, today we're unboxing and reviewing the OMIRE RB-D9 gaming headset. Let's see if it's actually worth it. OMIRE RB-D9 is definitely a great budget gaming headset. If you're a beginner gamer, this is a solid choice. For use mode ways and multi-platform compatibility, OMIRE RB-D9 gaming headset equipped with multiple connections makes RB-D9 could be perfectly compatible with most devices. AI noise-canceling microphone featuring advanced noise-canceling technology. The microphone effectively filters out background noise, including voices, music, and traffic. Type-C connection support Mac, mobile phone and other devices with Type-C port, allowing for wireless connection to PC, PS4, PS5 laptop via lossless 2.4 GHz receiver. The wired mode can connect to a PC, PS4, PS5 and other USB devices. Support simultaneous charging and usage. Mac, Switch and mobile phone are supported by Bluetooth mode. Designed for comfort, adopt ergonomic. Our wireless gaming headphones features soft, breathable ear cushions. The gaming headset delivers exceptional sound quality with low latency is less than or equal to 25 milliseconds and 53 millimeters drivers. RB-D9 headset delivers you 3D surround sound, making you could immerse yourself in any game regardless of the genre. Creates a unique talk zone, making sure you are heard the nearby voices in games, allowing you to clearly perceive voice instructions, footsteps in the game for a better immersive gaming experience. 7.1 spatial audio. Suitable for both wireless and wired modes. We have provided 2 sets of detachable replacement ear tips. We recommend mesh ear tips for better breathability and comfort in summer, and leather ear tips for skin-friendly and better sound insulation in winter. Adjustable telescoping headband, and an ultra-lightweight build, perfect for long gaming sessions.